Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy M04 and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the home screen with the finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, just select one from these available applications. For example, let's use the weather one. Just to add one from these available widgets, we should just click it and tap to add button. After that, we can see that the weather widget has added successfully to our home screen. To resize the widget, you should hold it for a while with your finger. By this way, now we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, to move it on our home screen, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, we can move it between the screens just by the same way, hold and drag the widget, and to remove it from here, we should just hold and tap to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.